Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. It's been a long time coming. I just want to go ahead and show you guys a little bit of the journey. This is the second suite that I've had. So let's go. Welcome to my current makeup room. Right here, we have little Miss Dior. She's chilling in the chair that we have to take back home. This is the workstation. Obviously, it's pretty darn junky right now because we're getting ready to move back to the larger building. So right there, we have like our alcohol for sanitation. We got aloe vera gel. We got aloe vesta, cotton balls, sticks for waxing, and a couple more things. This pretty much like the space we have. Obviously, I have like the lash bed too. It's adjustable, so it goes up and down from there. I have my stool, which is really like a computer chair, but the back came off of it, so now it's like a little stool chair. When I have my makeup appointments, I generally would put them, sanitize the chair. I would put them in the chair, and then here's my makeup suitcase. So I like to keep things in my makeup suitcase because it pretty much allows me to be able to travel with it at any given point. If somebody hit me up and said, "Hey, Ro, can you travel to me and do makeup?" Or if there was a wedding that I needed to do, this is something that I would do. So with my makeup suitcase, it does break up into different stations. And I promise you guys, if you ever come across a makeup artist whose stuff is perfectly organized, they're probably just starting, because it started off being like super perfectly organized, but everybody knows that when you're doing makeup, you're pretty much kind of throwing stuff. Maybe not even necessarily throwing stuff, but like makeup gets like everywhere, all over your hands and stuff like that. So that's my makeup kit. If you want to know exactly what's in there, please leave a comment below. We can kind of go over my kit. I would love to do that anyways. Over here, I haven't finished moving in because this was always supposed to be like a temporary place. Compared to my like bigger space that's next door, this was temporary. So I just wanted to show you guys the journey. I came over here in the midst of me having a whole nother place, and I was gonna come here to save money, but now, I don't know. Let's see where the world takes us. And just like that, we've emptied this space, and now next door we shall see the new place. This is the entranceway of the upgraded location that I've chosen. Once I show you the upstairs, I'll show you the makeup room, which looks a little like this. And then you will also be able to see the event space here. We host paint and sips often, and we rent out space. So I'll talk a little bit more about that shortly. Just stay tuned.